Hi guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper squishy. So here's just me squishing it. So let's hop into it. For this one you'll need paper, sellotape, and you need stuffing tissue, and you also need a pencil and a rubber. So I use a cup because I do lots of emoji ones, so I use a cup to get it perfectly right, because if I do a circle that's not right, I really don't like it. Like, everything has to be symmetrical. Okay, so that's me. So there's me doing that. I hope you like the background as well. So I have like a smaller container but I actually gave in the container because I didn't like the way it was shaped. So I did a different style that you will see, and I'll like time lapse it. So yeah, this is me rubbing it out with the rubber, but it's with a different pencil. So yeah. Okay, so now you'll see the style that I was going for, and I'll be back.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
You can see the style that I went for. Also, I used a paper squishy to show me, like guide me, because I forgot how it is. So now I'm gonna put back the music because I know you're enjoying it.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
I guess this is kind of like a joke squishy because I gave it braces and I also gave it a nose. So yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So I forgot to like leave a gap so it's symmetrical. So kids, don't follow what I did there, just make sure there's like a gap there. So yeah. I'll let you enjoy the music again.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So while you're sellotaping it, you have to make sure that the sellotape links to the back, as you see. See like how it goes to the back. Also, if it's easier for you, you can make little like snips so it can fold over properly. So yeah. So guys, this is like the finished results, so I'm just gonna give you an ASMR on the rest. So yeah, actually no, I have not finished it. I use tissue for the sake of this video, but I usually use like teddy stuffing, but I know some of you like don't have teddies. I know, weird, but like I use tissue, so yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So try your best to make sure that it's full properly and so that there's no air in it. So that's it for today's video.